It is necessary to improve self-awareness and personal development among individuals when they are in a group. The Johari window model is a convenient method used to achieve this task of understanding and enhancing communication between the members in a group. American psychologists Joseph Loft and Harry Ingham developed this model in 1955. The idea was derived as the offshoot of the group dynamics in the University of California and was later improved by Joseph Loft. The name Johari came from joining their first names. This model is also denoted as feedback or disclosure model of self-awareness. Now, the Johari window model is used to enhance the individual's perception on others. This model is based on two ideas. Trust can be acquired by revealing information about you to others and learning yourselves from their feedbacks. Each person is represented by the Johari model through four quadrants or window pane. Each four quadrants or window panes signifies personal information, feelings, motivation, and whether that information is known or unknown to oneself or others in four viewpoints. Now, the method of conveying and accepting feedback is interpreted in this model. A Johari is represented as a common window with four panes. Two of these panes represent self on the other to represent the part unknown to self but to others. The information transfers from one pane to the other as the result of mutual trust, which can be achieved through socializing and the feedback got from other members of the group. So we have four quadrants. We have the open or free area, the blind area, the hidden area, and the unknown area. So for the first quadrant, we have the open or self arena or self area. So what this is, what is known by the person about him or herself and is also known by others. So this is also called the open area, the open self, free area, free self, or the arena. Okay, here the information about the person, his attitudes, behaviors, emotions, feelings, skills, and views will be known by the person as well as by the others. So this is mainly the area where all the communications occur, and the larger the arena becomes, the more effectual and dynamic the relationship will be. Okay, so feedback solicitation is a process which occurs by understanding and listening to the feedback from other people. So, meaning to say that in order for us to be able to know more about ourselves so that we can have this free or open area, feedback solicitation is essential, meaning that you need to ask other people their opinions about yourself, di ba? Kasi what you may perceive may not be to what they perceive in you. So, para match yung actual and ideal self which we have discussed before, we need also the perception of others. Okay? So through this, the open area can be increased horizontally, decreasing the blind spot. Now the size of the arena can also be increased downwards, and thus by reducing the hidden and unknown areas through revealing one's feelings to other people. So you need to disclose more yourself to others so that we can attain the open or the free area. Okay? Again, this is known to you and known to others, such as, for example, your name, your favorites, okay, your birthday, and the likes. Then we also have the blind self or the blind spot. So information about yourselves that others know in a group but you will be unaware of. Okay? So meaning to say, ito yung mga alam ng ibang tao ukol sa'yo pero hindi mo siya alam. Okay? You are unaware of it. Others may interpret yourselves differently than you expect. Now, the blind spot is reduced for an efficient communication through seeking feedback from others. Okay? So again, blind area is what is unknown by the person about himself or herself, but which others know. This is also called the blind area or blind spot or blind self. Okay? So ang kailangan naman natin dito sa blind area is to get feedback or to seek feedback from others. Okay, just like what we did in learning activity 1. Now we go to the hidden area. This is what the person knows about him or herself that others do not know. This is called the hidden area, hidden self, the avoided area, avoided self, or the facade. These are information that is known to you but will be kept unknown from others. So meaning to say, ito yung mga impormasyon na alam mo pero itinatago mo sa iba. Kung baga, ito yung mga sekreto na sekreto mo na ayaw mong malaman ng ibang tao, even your significant others. So this can be any personal information which you feel reluctant to reveal, diba? So hesitant ka na ipaalam sa kanila. This includes your feelings, your past experiences, fears, secrets, as I've said a while ago. So we keep some of our feelings and emotions as private as it affects the relationships, and thus the hidden area must be reduced by moving the information to the open areas. Ayan. So, totoo naman talaga to, di ba? Kasi may mga information tayo talaga na ayaw natin na ipaalam talaga sa iba. So, ang tawag doon sa self na yon ay ang iyong hidden self or hidden area. Now, for you to be able, to make it public, I think you need to accept yourself and your past experiences or your feelings so that this hidden area will be disclosed and brought up. Now we have also the unknown area. The unknown area is what is known by the person about himself or herself and is also unknown by others. Kaya tinatawag din po ito na unknown self. Okay? So the information which are unaware to yourselves as well as others. So this include information, feelings, capabilities, talents, which are hidden. Okay? So this can be due to traumatic past experiences or events which can be unknown for a lifetime. Now the person will be unaware till he discovers his hidden qualities and capabilities or through observation of others. Now, open communication is also an effective way to decrease the unknown area and thus to communicate effectively. That's it. We have the Johari window. This is one way of knowing yourself, of being self-aware. So we have again the open or free area, we have the blind area, the hidden area, and the unknown area. So it's important that you be conscious or aware of your feelings, your thoughts, and behavior. And this can be done through disclosure. This can be done through feedbacking, okay? So that the hidden, the unknown, and the blind area will be an open area, okay? So you will attain self-awareness, and then also from there you will have metacognition.